More than 20 persons rushed to hospital after stampede at Reggae Sumfest. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Carrie Simpson. Also this evening, double deaths from domestic dispute in Cane River Bull Bay, St. Andrew. And police probe fatal shooting in St. Elizabeth. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.